Hi parents and students, welcome to your science energy assessment. So students, please grab your pencil and make sure you are ready and listen to my instructions. And parents, I do ask that you do not help your child during this particular assessment. This is something that we treat as a test in class, and I would like to keep it that way. So unless there's any clarification that is needed, please do not help with the answers. This is a good way for me to test their knowledge and how we are learning things during this quarantine. So thank you very much. So grade 1, make sure you have your pencils ready to color in the bubble answer that you think is correct. You only need to color in one bubble per question, like we know, okay? So here it says read each question, choose the best answer, then fill in the circle next to the correct answer. So please pause in between to give yourself time to answer each question. Here we go. Question 1. What happens when you rub your hands together? A. You make fire. B. You make heat. C. You make cold. Or D. You make light. So a good tip for this one is try rubbing your hands together. What happens? Question number 2 says choose the words that complete the sentence. Light from blank heats the land, the water, and the air. So option F is light from gravity heats the land, the water, and the air. Option G is light from the sun heats the land, the water, and the air. Option H is light from the moon heats the land, the water, and the air. Or option I is light from electricity heats the land, the water, and the air. Question number 3 says Anne puts 4 towels in the sun. One is pink, one is white, one is black, one is yellow. After a while, she measures the heat of the towels. Which one is likely to be warmer than the other 3? All right, so I want you to think about in class. We talked about this. We talked about how different color hair or different color clothing will attract the heat from the sun. So you want to figure out which one is warmer. So your options are either A, the pink towel, B, the white towel, C, the black towel, or D, the yellow towel. On the next page, we're going to be looking at question number 4. So question number 4 says, which of these things will light pass through? So our first option is F, a dog, G, a window, H, a stop sign, or I, a brick wall. So think about it. If light was shining, what item would it shine through? So pick your best answer. Question number 5 says read the chart that Ella started. So that chart has a picture of a light bulb, a campfire, a flashlight, a candle, and a firefly. So it says Ella forgot the title. Which title belongs to the top of the chart? So all those pictures, what do they represent? What's their category? Okay, so we have A, things that give off light. B, things that move other things. C, things that you turn off or on. Or D, things that need electricity to work. All right, so we're going to start with question number 6 on this page. So here it says question number 6, when are shadows short? Because the sun is high in the sky. Is it at F, at noon? Is it G, at night? Is it H, in the evening, or is it I in the morning? So I want you to think about, when is the sun out? So some of those answers can't work if the sun's not out, right? Number 7 says choose the word to complete the sentence. Anything that is burned to make heat or power is called A. Is it called fuel? B. Gravity? C. Gasoline? Or D. Electricity? So anything that is burned to make heat or power is called blank. Number 8 says, where do people get the energy they need to move, change, and grow? So think about us as humans, okay? Your options are F, from batteries, or G, from the moon, H, from electricity, or I, from foods they eat. So what fuels us as humans? And question number 9 says, what does a battery do? So A, it makes fuel. B, stores energy. C, lets light pass through it. Or D, changes electricity to sunlight. And here is our last page that we're doing. So we're going to start with question 10. So question 10 says, choose the words to complete the sentence. Milk and cheese blanks. So remember, we're thinking about science here, okay? So milk and cheese blank. Is it milk and cheese? So question F, tastes good to everyone. Is it G, are the only foods you need? H, do not really help your body? Or I, help you grow strong teeth and bones? Number 11 says, which sentence is true about energy? So I want you to tell me what is true. A, you use energy when you move. B, swimming takes very little energy. C, when you think, you do not use energy. Or D, it takes a lot of energy to turn the pages of a book. And here we have question 12. So we're going to write the answer to the question on the line. So we see a picture here. There's cereal, rice, pasta, and bread. So how does eating these kinds of food help you? So we're talking about energy, and we're talking about how energy works, right? So what do you think that food gives you? And why do you think it gives it to you? I want you to write down what you think. Give it your best guess if you are unsure, but I know deep down you know the answer because you know what unit we're talking about, all right? So best of luck, grade 1, and I cannot wait to see how you do.